Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atia Ibrahim and I am from PMEI. As you know, that PMS is always there to help you. Again, we are in your service and we are here to explain our summer task. I am going to discuss the summer task of class 7 and summer task of this time we are dividing our summer task into assignments for the month of April and for the month of May, and each assignment carries 50 marks. Total marks are 100, and as you know that we always include these 100 marks in our summer midterm result. Inshallah, we will add these 100 marks in our midterm result. Discuss our summer task of social studies. And question number 1 is, what is the difference between Muslim and Islam? Question number 2, which language are most widely spoken by the Muslim countries? Question number 2 is, write down any two differences between the climate of Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Number 3 is match the column. Number 4, how do we distress ourselves and other during the pandemic? And question number 5 is, on the world map, locate 3 largest oil producing Muslim countries with green color and write down their names. World map is attached. Okay, now general science. Following are the description of part of the eye. Name each of the parts. Is a table given here, and the descriptions are given there, and you are going to fill the particulars. Question number 2, classify each of the following as elements, compounds, or mixtures. Write the letters X if it is none of these. There are words given. Write the proper name. What are these elements, compounds, mixture? And if the word is none of these, you can put an X there. Number 3 is match the column. And now number 5 is again a match the column. Number 4 is again match the column. Number 5 is complete the diagram by labeling the following. There is a diagram of eye, and you are going to complete the diagram and also label it. Now English, what precautions you have taken to keep yourself safe from COVID-19? Crack the code. Which letter from the second half of the alphabet, N to Z, corresponds to a letter from the first half of the alphabet, A to M? For example, ZA can work out the missing words. There is a table below, and then you will solve it. Number 3, use your dictionary to help by picking pick and encircle the correct answer. Number 4, write a composition on a visit to a dentist. Number 2, relationship of our parents and a child. These are 2 topics for the compositions. And write a latest string that fits all the word in each row. For example, is in this table, it is up to you to fill in the given syllable in the middle or the end or at the start to complete the word. Number 6, read any article of your choice from any newspaper and rewrite in your own word. This is a very activity-based work. In any newspaper, English newspaper, write an article. Read the article and then write in your own copy. Mathematics, find the unions and intersections of the following sets. Number 2 is 2 and 3 subtraction, 4 is multiply, and 5 is verify the name of the properties. Next is इस्लामियात. तहरीरी काम में सवालात के मुख्तसर जवाब दिए जाएंगे और इसमें आपको 6 सवाल दिए गए हैं, इनके आपने जवाब देने हैं. इसके बाद आपका ओरल काम है, ज़बानी है. सूरह बकरा में सूरत का नाम बकरा क्यों रखा गया और सूरह बकरा में मूसा का किस्सा पढ़ा जाए. नंबर 8 है, सूरह अंबिया में अंबिया के बारे में बताया गया है. इस सूरत को पढ़ें और अपने लोगों को अरबी और तर्जुमा दोनों याद करें. कुरान की आपने 10 सूरत तरतीब से याद करें और नमाज में पढ़ने का तमाम करें, सूरह फील से सूरह नास तक. इसके बाद 10वां सवाल है, सूरह ज़लज़ाल और सूरह फातिहा के वजह तस्मीह और तर्जुमा याद करें. पारा नंबर 29-30 तजदीद के साथ पढ़ें. उर्दू का समा टास्क है कि सवाल दिए गए, इसमें आपको सवाल नंबर 1 सहेली को खत लिखना है. सवाल नंबर 2, प्रिंसिपल के नाम स्कूल में होमवर्कनामे का पीरियड शुरू करने की दरख्वास्त लिखनी है। सवाल नंबर 3, किसी नागहानी आफत की वजह से अचानक होने वाली छुट्टियों को आप किस तरह फ़ाल बना सकते हैं। नंबर 4, ज़मज़म के चश्मे के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं। नंबर 5, अल्फाज मुतज़ाद हैं। नंबर 6, अल्फाज मुतरादिफ हैं। नंबर 7, दर्ज झेल ज़रबुल अमसाल के मतलब तलाश करके लिखें। लास्ट आपका क्वेश्चन है कि दिए गए मुहावरात से जुमले बनाएं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपना समाधान अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे। इसके अलावा भी अगर आप देखें तो वी हैव गिवन सम एक्टिविटीज ऑन पेज नंबर 1 mentioned. If you carry these activities, it will be much better for your children, and I hope that you will do your summer tasks very neatly and cleanly, and kindly do cover your copies. Okay, thank you.